Okay, so now as you are able to see the list for all the programs with the help of -l command, if I want to specifically search out for a program, so let's say I want to search for a program that is Zomato. So I'll just type grep and I'm going to grep Zomato and see if there is a bug bounty program for this particular website, which is Zomato. And you can see, yes, there is a match found. So what I will quickly do is I can download the dataset for Zomato. So for that, I'm going to use the flag -d and the program name, and I will hit enter. As you can see, downloading zomato.zip file successfully downloaded. If I will show you, then you can see there is zomato.zip that has been downloaded. Similarly, I downloaded the programs for Integrity as well. Now, if you want to see the specific programs that are being hosted on Bugcrowd, then you can just type -bc and it will show you all the programs that are being hosted on Bugcrowd and the data sets that are being available on the project discovery website. So as you can see, these are all the programs from BigBank, Binance, Bugcrowd, etc, etc. If you want to see all the programs of HackerOne, then you can just simply type -h1 and you will be able to see all the programs. As you can see, IBM, Amazon, Cloudflare, PayPal, Starbucks, etc, etc. Now, if you want to download all the HackerOne programs, then you can just simply type -h1. If you want to download all the Bugcrowd programs, then you can just simply type -d-bc. So let me just do this for you and you will be able to see that it is going to download all the data sets, as you can see over here, for all the programs that are being hosted on Bugcrowd. So it is now downloading. Let me just stop the process and let me show you. It has already downloaded all the subdomain data sets for Acons, Arcos, BigBank, Binance, Bitdefender, Atlassian, etc. So I hope you guys understood how you can utilize this tool from your terminal itself. You don't need to go to the website, and on the terminal itself you will be able to see all the data sets. You just need to unzip this particular zip file and there will be a text file from which you will be able to see all the programs. So I hope you guys understood how you can utilize this cool tool for downloading the data sets from the project discovery website. Thank you.